हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, टुडे अगेन आई एम विथ यू with the class 7th algebraic expression topic. This is the last video on this particular topic. Here we will talk about how to remove the bracket, or we can say that how we can apply the BODMAS rule in algebraic expressions. So it will be more easy when we will do this with the questions. So this is the first question. Here we can see this is the first expression, second expression and third expression, which are connected by each other with the subtraction sign. So here we need to keep the rules of integer also in mind, as well as the rules of like terms addition. The very first thing, we need to open the small bracket. So before this particular small bracket there is no sign, so it will open without any sign change, because when there is no sign we consider it as the plus sign. Now before this bracket this is the minus sign, so minus multiplied with this plus, so it will become minus 3y square. Now this minus sign will multiply with this minus sign, it will become plus 4z square. Now minus 4z square, minus sign is before 4z square, it will become minus 4z square. Now minus into minus, it will become plus. Now after opening the small bracket, it is required to rearrange the like terms together in the big bracket. So just put the big bracket, and inside it I am going to rearrange the like terms together. So 5x square. Now what is the another 5x square? This is before this plus sign is there, so I will put plus sign before this 5x square. Then minus 3y square, minus 3y square. Then plus 4z square, minus 4z square. So in this way I have rearranged the like terms together. Now plus 5 and plus 5, so addition will happen. So here it will come, minus sign was before this big bracket, so put that as it is. 5 plus 5, it will come 10x square. Then minus 6y square, as this is also negative, this is also negative. Then plus 4z square minus 4z square, it will become 0. Now I need to multiply with this minus sign both these terms. What it will come? Minus 10x square minus minus plus 6y square. So finally what we are going to get? 6y square minus 10x square. So this will be the answer we get after the solution. I hope you all have understood how to apply the BODMAS rule in this case. Now let us move with the one more problem. Here you can see one small bracket is there in which one trinomial is there, which is separated by minus sign, and inside this big bracket there are the three terms, first, second, third and four terms, sorry. So out of this 4 term, one term is inside this bracket. So you have to open this bracket at first. So 3x square minus 4y plus 3x. Then the very first open this small bracket inside the big bracket. So it will come minus x square minus y. Then this is minus 2y as it is plus 4. Now we can see x square minus x square, it will become 0. Minus 1y and minus 2y, it will become minus 3y. So 3x square minus 4y plus 3x minus 3y plus 4. Now open the bracket, 3x square minus 4y plus 3x minus into minus plus 3y minus 4. Then 3x square minus 4y plus 3y. Rearrange the like terms. Now what it will come? 3x square minus y plus 3x minus 4. Further, it is not possible to solve it because no like term is left. So this will be your answer. I hope all of you understood it. Similarly, if I talk about this particular problem, so this is also same. Just open the small bracket which is inside the curly bracket. So there will be the sign change, as before this small bracket there is a minus sign. Now solve the like terms. 5x cube plus x square minus x square plus 3x cube minus 1. Now again open the bracket. 5x cube plus x square minus x square minus 3x cube plus 1. Cut this because they are equal and opposite. Then 5x cube minus 3x cube plus 1. That will left 2x cube plus 1. In this way, you can solve any of the algebraic expression by using the rules of BODMAS and the integer rules. So I hope you all have understood how to do the algebraic expression chapter completely. In this video, I will provide all the links of the videos which is related to this particular chapter. I hope this will be helpful for you to understand. In the maths, it is required to do the practice. So do more and more practice. It will make the subject easy for you. Till then, good luck. Keep practicing.